Hi guys, today on The Butcher's Daughter we're going to make 3 bean hummus. It's only 1 smart point per serving and it is delicious. Let's get started. Okay, so I'm just chopping up some jalapenos. I took the seeds out. We don't want to have it be too hot. So I'm just going to really cut it up kind of small. This is going to go in our 3 bean hummus. So next we're going to get 1 shallot. And a shallot is kind of like a cross between onion and garlic. And I really think it's super underutilized because it's really mild, super good. So we're just going to use 1 shallot. Okay, so we're just going to mince up this shallot. Again, we want to keep these pieces kind of uniform. They don't have to be perfect, but so we're going to cook them, and we want them to cook at in the same amount of time. Okay, and we're just going to chop up some garlic. This is 2 cloves. Okie dokie. Now we're going to take these over to our frying pan. We're just going to saute these with a little Pam or spray olive oil just until they're soft, and then we're going to mix them into our 3 bean hummus. Okay, so I just want to put the stove on a medium low. I have a little bit of Pam spray olive oil in the pot. I'm just going to go ahead and throw the onions, the shallot, and the jalapeno right in there. We're not going to add any oil or anything like that. We don't want to add any fat. Just kind of let these heat up. I'm going to go ahead and turn it up to a medium. Let these cook and give them a stir. Don't really let them brown. Just let them get a little bit soft. And then we're going to take them off and mix them with our hummus. Okay, so for our 3 bean hummus, we're going to use cannellini beans. They're a nice white hearty bean. They're going to bring some creaminess to it. We're going to use some great northern beans, another white creamy bean, and then the regular garbanzo beans or chickpeas. Okay, so we're going to peel them and strain them. Okay, so we just want to put all of our beans into a strainer. We're going to give these a nice rinse. Get all that canning liquid off. And you can see that they all have a little bit of a different texture, and they're going to bring a different element to the dish. And since we're not going to add a lot of fat and stuff, I figured we might as well get a lot of flavor from some different kind of beans. Okay, so I'm going to rinse these off, and I'm actually going to peel the garbanzo beans or the chickpeas, and what they have a little skin on them. You just pinch them between your fingers and the skin comes right off. So it takes like 2 seconds to do. And you don't have to do that, but it makes the dish creamier, so we're gonna do it. Okay, so we have all 3 of our beans in here in the food processor. And now I'm just going to put 2 teaspoons of cumin. You don't have to add 2 teaspoons. You can kind of do it to your liking, but that's what we're going to add today. We're going to add 1 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And 2 tablespoons of tahini. Tahini is just sesame paste. It adds a lot of flavor and a little creaminess. A couple shakes of pepper. Now I'm just gonna put the lid on. Okay, so I'm going to add the shallots, garlic, and jalapeno that we cooked in, and I'm just going to reserve about a tablespoon of that to garnish on top, maybe not even. Okay, give it one more little spin in the food processor and we're all set. So we forgot to record when I plated this dish, but basically all I did was put it in a bowl, sprinkle some paprika on top, and cut up a few of those peppers that we're gonna dip in it, and that's it. So you're all set. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. Thanks so much.